That was low. Yeah, that was good.
This is what we got going on. We have a 4.9K dB at home. We're looking to upgrade the alternator to a 270 or 290.
Okay.
So that we can get like 2,800 RPMs, where it gets a little bit more. And then we'll change this to like a headway lithium. For now, it's just getting a depth bounce 3015. We want to upgrade to like a 3515.
Got it.
And then put like a 7K. We need
power. Okay.
We need power to make power.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Yep. What sub was that?
That's a 3015 dB.
Okay.
Depth bounce. Oh, we also sealed off the front because they told us it'll be a higher dB if you seal it off.
Yeah.
I mean, that's always seen you on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
So like, the fact that you're in my car is kind of crazy.
Okay. Appreciate you.
Bro,
Appreciate you watching.
8 years, man, watching this man.
Really?
Build all kinds of stuff from the FY auto you had to the 112. This is crazy, man. This is an honor.
Yeah. What's the name and the son?
My son is Ezekiel.
Okay.
We're from Groveland,
Okay.
west of Claremont.
Yeah.
And yeah, man, we're trying to make it out here again in September with something better. So
Okay.
hopefully it's just a start. You know, we're here with
Nice.
Team Tupu.
Yes.
Tap
Okay.
out or pass out. Uh-oh.
What? Oh. Hey.
I just got a video frame.
Hey. Hey, Doug.
I've never seen you in person.
Nice to meet you. Do you know anything about the box?
More, he built everything.
What are the box specs on this single sub?
Is a 3.5 cube tuned to 30 hertz. And I think I went a little too high on it.
Yeah.
But it is tuned to 30 hertz.
I'm gonna look a little closer.
You want to go check it out?
Yeah.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
frequency wise, that was pretty good.
I think that was only
Like high 20, low 30s, somewhere like
32.
that. 32, okay.
Yeah.
That was low. Yeah, that was good. That one got a little lower. I appreciate the demo, dude. Nice to meet you.